Hello everybody, today I will explaining you how to make a guide for game application. Sorry for this bad English, but I will try to explain you how can you create a new app guide for games. So I choose it today this project Lego Legacy Heroes inbox guide how to get character and sets. I searched it in Google Play. I found this Lego its famous application. So I choose it. I found this just three gigs or four gigs for this application. So this is a good niche to make a guide app for this game. So by Andromo, you can create this guide app. It's easy. So we choose it just custom page, and we created. For example, I created five custom page. The first one is introduction. So you should make their introduction name, and by content so you should make introduction for this application. So you can check it this from the website of the Lego official. So then you can make how to find tile location. Some types to make it a game. How you can use this game Lego in the official game app. So you can make like that like this how to find child location, and you can tip the character look at the heroes are grayed out, tap on the fan child button. How can use it that, and make some picture to explain that. You can use it by capture auto, and use it for when you enter in the game, and take some picture and make it there like this. In the second level, for example, level up to gain tile offering like this content, and you make it like the first one. It's the same types you can use. You find it all these types in the official website. And when you finish the five activity or six activities, you can make rate app for your app like this. We go in there Google Play like this, and you see you should write there rate app, and you can use image for this rate app if you want, but I you should not use a lot of image in your Git app, because it is not official, and you have copyright for this image content. Yes, you use it like this. We take, for example, we entered in this application and take from there and make it there. It's there. And when you go into setting, you make app name for this application, and icon for application, and we go into pro feature if you paid pro annual payments, and we make com dot lego dot legacy errors like you want. You can make 20 for example, and then make it when you what you want, and go into activity Google Play Reach content, and make the package name for your app. So, and return to this setting and go to rate as option. This message will be appeared when after 1 day of install your application, and you can make text there if you want to change it, and there it's automatically it's appear. But if you want to change it, this message, you can write it. So and go to the term and setting. It's not use it and layout. If you want to change it in red card and list icon like this, why you can choose it what you want. For this I change it. I choose that. You can choose to change color, primary color, or like this, what you want. And go to monetization, add mob, and you should make a banner, interstitial, and add mob app ID. And if you have another one, you can check it like startup, app looping, app brain. You can make two ads from two society, and it's no problem. And Facebook audience also. So and go to service if you have one seller and firebase like I explained in the last videos. And go to build and and now you should build this app. If you before to build it, you should go to you should make save change for all your app and download your app. And now you have a good app for game Lego. Thank you for watching, and I hope I'm good explaining this application, and see you another time.